Alright, what is good, y'all? So today we finally got the BBR Big Bar kit just came in, so gonna go ahead and get into it, installing that. Comes with a all new front end setup pretty much, so yeah, gonna be replacing the triple. As you can see, the stock bars are welded on, so yeah, we're gonna be replacing this triple, the bars, brake lever, and all that. But yeah, gonna go ahead and basically just jump right into it. But yeah, gonna throw the GoPro on my head and probably start recording while I'm taking all this off. Alright, so we already got the plastics and seat off. Right now I'm about to just pop the gas tank off just to make it easier to access this big nut right here, and we gotta take it off. As well as we're gonna be replacing the top of this carb cap and stuff, so yeah, or the slide, whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this off and then get back into it. Alright, just got the tank pulled off just so we have more room. You could do it with the tank and plastics on, it's just gonna be more of a pain in the ass. But basically I'm gonna just take this top of this carb slide off real quick. Just pop it loose real quick. And then yeah, this stuck. We're not even gonna be, I think we may be reusing this piece of it, so just be careful with that. Then basically just gonna follow it up to the bars, up to the handle, take it out, and then we're gonna go down here, disconnect the stock brake line down here, so we can just take the bars and just leave all this stuff on there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and run that through and get back to you guys then. Alright, so just got everything unhooked. Kill switch didn't really film, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Just two little things you pull right down here from the harness. You see where they're disconnected. Black on this side, the green next to this other green. And obviously disconnected the carb as I showed, just tied them both off up here. Went ahead, disconnected the brake, front brake from the lever. Yay. So now I got the 14 for these front. We're gonna go ahead, pop these loose. These two front ones loose right here, pop them loose. And then I'm gonna go ahead, pop this back, this big nut right here in the back off, and then yeah, should just be taking the stock bars off here soon. Yep, just like that. 2 bolts and a nut and it's off. Pretty easy. Still a ton of grease in there, I'm surprised. So yeah, here's the stock bars. Sorry, I don't know if you could hear, it's actually raining outside right now, but here's the stock bars off. Compared to the BBRs, as you can see, they're way wider. And yeah, I'm excited to get these thrown on. So first things first, we're probably just gonna go straight into the triple. Go ahead, throw the triple on, get the bars in place, and then I'll probably start with the front brake first and then go from there. Catch you guys there. Alright, just got the new triple thrown on. I'm just finishing tightening everything up right now. Basically just gonna wanna get everything about pretty much even and then go through, tighten them all up evenly. But it looks pretty clean. I'm surprised I got these on a good sale and got like $50 off the whole kit. Thought something may have came in a little damaged or something, but it's all looking nice so far. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and probably throw those bars on now and then get back to you guys once the bars are on. Alright, what's good, y'all? Sorry I didn't really film much, but just got the bars on. Don't got them fully tightened down yet, just kind of loosely on there because kind of want to go through and route the throttle cable, tube, and all that up first, and then I'll fully tighten them down. But yeah, I don't know how much more I'm really gonna film of doing all this, but try to film where I can. Probably gonna just start with the throttle first and then go ahead and get to the brake. And yeah, so I'll probably catch you guys here in a little bit. Good, y'all. So I pretty much got everything done. Yesterday I was filming. I'm pretty sure I left off like at the front brake or installing the kill switch right here, but yeah, I ran out of memory, so I went ahead and just finished it up though. So install was actually pretty easy. It was a little weird. The only thing that gave me a little bit of problems were the throttle tube, but I ended up getting it good. It's pretty snappy. I was just about to go test ride this thing though and pull somewhere, but I've been wanting to get the street tires for this anyway, so I think I'm about to order the new street tires for this. And tubes, obviously. I think these ones have tubes. And then, yeah, be back in business and finally be able to test these out. But for now, that's probably about to do it for the video on the BBR bars. If you guys got any questions on it, just let me know down in the comments. I'm pretty active on YouTube, but yeah, pretty straightforward. Definitely turned out really clean. Already like how they feel just sitting on the bike though, so definitely can't wait to go get a little test strip in.